Give me a couple of hours. I'll show you how to use Excel like a data analyst. Because knowing Excel is easy, remembering formulas. But the way which we are going to explain over here using a 10 formulas will be a game changing for you. Okay. It will 10x your productivity, how you can improve your business productivity and also automate the task. Welcome to Discover Talent Presents, folks. In this video series, I'll walk you through 10 powerful Excel techniques step by step using a real life data. We will clean the data, we will download the data, okay, we will analyze it and we'll apply the logic for the data. And not only that, we are also building a quick dashboard which you can also create for your daily resume activity. This is just not a Excel. This is how the real analysis work. Stay till the end because everything comes at the end using a interactive dashboard. So without further ado, let's quickly.
Let me show you a real Excel problem. Okay, you receive a employee data like this. Okay, the format can be a different CSV, it can be a TXT. Okay, or maybe sometimes it's available in Excel itself, right? The format you see, it's not really good. And what we want this format to be shown in full name, department, and location wise. Okay. Now here as well, if you see the headers, right, these are available inside the one specific column. So what we can do over here is we either use a data, okay, and do a text to column option over here. But if you have the list entries available, you can just simply go at the bottom, okay, and press Ctrl X, and whatever fields you need, just import that and add it over here. Okay, simply I'm just doing a Ctrl X and adding those entries over here. The moment it's done, I'll just simply click on this option and I can see this has been added like this in three different columns like this. Now what we need these names, department, and locations to be shown over here. Now, whatever steps I have followed right now, this have did for one single column. And if you do it for 5,000 rows manually, imagine how much time it will take, right? That's not just a slow, that's impossible in a real job. In this section, I will show you how analysts solve in seconds using a flash fill. I'll first insert a one more row over here and I'll adjust this titles at the top. Okay, so I will type in name Rahul Sharma. Okay, and then suppose department is sales for me and location is this. Likewise, I'll add one more entry over here, marketing, and then we'll say Delhi. Cool. Now here I'll press Ctrl E. It will ask me, we look at all the data next to your selection. We don't see any kind of a pattern over here. Okay, which means the pattern is not really visible for the Excel sheet. No need to worry. What we can do over here, let me just stretch this column over here, X, and paste it over here. Now let's once again type this name. Okay, sales now in department and Mumbai in location. Likewise, Priya Mehta over here, and then marketing, and then let's say Delhi. Likewise, Amit Verma, finance, and then Bangalore. Cool. So let me just change this specific spelling over here. Now I'll do a Control E over here. You see the data has been shown over here. Likewise, if I press Control E over here, I will get that pattern added over here as well. Likewise, for locations as well. No need to do any kind of manual stuff over here. Since we are seeing this kind of blank entries over here, okay, the advisable note, whenever you are adding a individual entries over here, what we can do, we can just simply first select this, okay, from here. Let's select this at the bottom. Perfect. Press Ctrl G first, go to special option, and then click on this option called blanks, and then hit a OK button. Okay, the moment you press that option, you will see that blank has been selected automatically. Don't click here and there. Okay, press Control and minus from your keyboard. The moment you press that, you will see this kind of a pop-up over here, right? Simply hit the option called entire row and hit a OK button over here. Now you see the blank has been gone from this specific pattern. And now you can add the simple pattern over here, right? Which is Ctrl E. And here as well, Ctrl E. Okay, press once again Ctrl E. Perfect. Great. Now you can see we have clean our data over here, right? The moment I press Ctrl T over here and add this into a table, now my data is clean and it's ready to use for data analysis further. Flashfill works based on pattern recognition. It's not a formula, learns from your example. That's why your first name example must be correct. Formatting must be consistent. In real company, HR uses this to clean employee data. Marketing uses to check the department. Okay. Analysts use this to prepare a data set, and while creating a dashboard, it's a very important step to clean your data.